Hello friends, good day to all of you. Today's recipe is a very simple one but the most versatile among the chutneys. It's mint and coriander chutney that we use in all the snacks, chaat items. It can also be used as a dip or as a spread on sandwiches and kathi rolls. It's very flavorful. You can make and freeze it also for later use. When you are expecting guests, you don't have to make everything on the same day. You can just freeze it. And even the leftover chutney can also be used to make pani pani. So let's proceed to make this flavorful chutney, mint and coriander chutney.
To make mint and coriander chutney, we'll require fresh coriander, fresh mint leaves, 1 lemon, little salt and jaggery powder or sugar, handful of roasted gram, and then we have 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, small piece of ginger, 1 small onion, 1 or 2 green chillies. Grind together all these ingredients to make the chutney. First we cut and wash the coriander leaves well, pick out the mint and wash that also very well. Now the proportion I take is 2:1, 2 parts of coriander and 1 part of mint. You can take according to your preference. And then we grind together all these ingredients. Some people also avoid roasted gram. Instead they use a little bit of namkeen chevda or bundi. Interesting, isn't it? So you make it your way with the ingredients you like and your preference of proportion. And during summer season when raw mango is available, you can add that also. So now the chutney is done. A perfect texture. Lovely color and nice flavor too. You taste it and adjust the flavors. If anything is required, you can add it now. Remove it in a bowl. This chutney can be frozen also. If you have some extra chutney, you can just freeze it for later use. So apart from using it for snacks, you can use it as a dip as well, or even a spread for sandwiches and kathi rolls. With the leftover chutney, you can even make pani for pani puris. So friends, make the chutney your way with your choice of ingredients and the proportion you like. The detailed recipe link also is given in the description box. You can check it out. Those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Some videos from the archives, you may want to check them out in case you have missed watching them.